All right, so this should be the layout that you're normally using, the editing layout here. So you have your timeline, and this is all the clips you have arranged, and down here on the slider you can move this back and forth. Okay, so I like to see how you are editing. So the way you arrange these clips, I can kind of see how you've put your movie together, and how you've done it differently than other people that you've worked with for the production part. So I have your login up here. So what I'd like you to do is hit Windows, Shift, and S. There we go. Okay, so we got all that in there, and then you click Export, and okay, so the first thing is I'm going to go down here to the in and out and check the duration on that and make sure that I'm exporting something that is, this is what I expect the video length to be, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. If it's 1 second, then you only have one clip selected for some reason, one little frame. If it's 10 minutes or 30 minutes, that means that you have something weird in your timeline and you're trying to export either one long recorded clip from the camera by accident, or something else is wrong there. I'm going to change the name of this to something I can go back and find, and I'll know exactly what this is. So I'm going to name this Export Tutorial, and I'm going to go to Videos, and let's just say I'm working in this Ultra Key tutorial, and file name is Export Tutorial, and I'll put 2025 because I'm in Adobe 2025, and that's how you do it in this version. Click Save. So now I know where to find my film, find my movie right here, and I would like for you to use YouTube 1080p Full HD. If it doesn't pop up right there, go down here and click More Presets, and then search for YouTube. And 1080p is it's a small enough file that it's easy to upload and download. It's bigger than what will run on the news, and if you've been shooting in 4K, this brings down the file size so that it's manageable, so I can grade you easier. Click OK on that. We're just going to leave all the rest of these alone and click Export. All right, so that was exported correctly. So we'll go to Videos, and we'll find it here in the tutorial. Export Tutorial, that's the one I just exported. And my screenshot is in the Screenshots folder. Google Drive. And if you have a folder for my class, that's really good file management. Click New Folder, and name this the name of your assignment. Put your screenshot in that folder. Put your exported video in that folder. While that's doing that, you can actually click here and change that to, you don't have this access anymore, the staff and students. You can just change it to staff. Copy that link and then when you go to Canvas, I think this assignment is still open for people, so I'll view this as a student. Okay, and it'll say enter web URL. I'll paste that in there and submit that, and it's turned in on time, so I get confetti. Yay.